Uh-oh. Looks like Peanut Butter got himself stuck.
What you doing? I'm stuck. I got you.
Way to go, Hugbug. I wonder how long Peanut Butter's been down there.
Grassy, Huggy. Turun, Butter. Whoa, Putty. Are you falling that hole? No, Huggy. I was watching. Achoo! Oh, Butter, you got a cold. Too bad you go.
Now that's what I call a snuggle bug.
Eat your sticky soup, Butter. You'll feel all better. Grassy Hugbug. Achoo! You still got the sickies.
Oh,
Ulu, great-grand turtle.
greetings, friends. My dearest Peanut Butter. I sense your energy is low.
I got the sickies from the hole.
Oh, come, let us raise your vibration. Get that blood moving. Groovy. Good. That's it. Now, let's wake up that healing energy. Swing, swing-a-loo.
That's it, Hugbug. Swing away those sneezes, Peanut Butter.
Oh, dearest Peanut Butter. Rest. Rest you must. Peace and healing, my child. Macaroni. I think Peanut Butter may need some Ten tea. It's magic.
Great idea. I go find the Tenten for a. Hey. The Tenten for us. This make Butter better. My special Tenten super tea. Perfecto. Here you go, Butter. Sippy, sippy. Tasty. Grassy, Huggy.
There he goes. It's a peanut butter balloon.
Achoo! We need more help to make you better, Butter. Oh no, Huggy! What happened?
Looks like Hugbug has completely exhausted himself. Oh my. Sometimes all you need is a good night's sleep.